Hello everybody, my name is Adam Tailor and I'm the founder and CEO of Wavve Boating, and today I'm going to show you how to update the map to the draft of your vessel. Pretty fundamental feature of Wavve Boating, and it's super easy to do. So all you need to do is head to the menu, head down to settings, and right at the top you'll see boat draft. So I'm going to tap that. I'm going to update up to 7 feet today, and then I'm going to hit the X to close. And just like that, my map is now updated to a 7-foot draft. So that means any of the depths that are 7 feet or less are going to show in that bright red coloring, as well as any contoured areas are going to color accordingly, just making it really easy for me to see where I can go with my boat and where I cannot go in red. That's it, folks. If you have any questions for our team, reach out to community@waveboating.com and we'll be happy to help you. Have a great day out there. Thanks.